Have you ever pondered upon the sheer diversity of food across the globe? The myriad flavors, textures, and ingredients that make each culture's cuisine unique? But among these, there are certain dishes that stand out not just for their taste, but for their unusualness. Today we'll embark on a journey to discover some of the most eccentric eats from different cultures. Our first stop is the Philippines, home to a delicacy known as balut. A dish not for the faint-hearted, balut is a fertilized duck egg with a nearly developed embryo inside. This food item is a common street food in the Philippines and is often consumed with a pinch of salt. While the idea of eating a developing duckling might not appeal to everyone, it's considered a source of strength and a potent aphrodisiac in Filipino culture. Next, we delve into the culinary world of Iceland, where fermented shark, or Hákarl, reigns supreme among unusual foods. Greenland sharks, which are poisonous when fresh, are fermented and hung to dry for 4 to 5 months to make Hákarl. Despite its pungent smell that's often compared to ammonia, Hákarl is a cherished traditional dish, symbolizing Icelandic resilience and resourcefulness. Heading over to Sardinia, Italy, we encounter Casu Marzu, a cheese that's literally crawling with life. This sheep milk cheese is left to ferment until it's invaded by cheese flies, whose larvae help to break down the cheese's fats. The result is a soft, creamy cheese that's consumed with the live maggots still wriggling inside. Casu Marzu is a testament to Sardinians' love for cheese, pushing the boundaries of fermentation to the extreme. From the land down under, Australia brings us Witchetty grubs. These large, white, wood-eating larvae are a vital part of the Aboriginal diet. Whether eaten raw or lightly cooked, they are said to taste like almonds. Witchetty grubs are not only a source of protein, but also a connection to the Aboriginal people's ancestral past. In summary, these eccentric eats offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of global food cultures. Balut, with its controversial reputation, symbolizes Filipino notions of strength and virility. Hákarl, despite its acrid smell, embodies Icelandic resilience and resourcefulness. Casu Marzu pushes the limits of fermentation, showcasing Sardinian love for cheese, while Witchetty grubs connect Australian Aboriginal people with their ancestral roots. These dishes, strange and unusual as they may be, are integral parts of their respective cultures. They are reminders of our diverse and fascinating world, where food is not just about sustenance, but also about history, tradition, and identity. As we continue to explore the world through its food, we come to realize that eccentric eats are not just about shock value, but about understanding and appreciating the rich culinary diversity that our planet has to offer.